Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Sfiso Mayo has lodged a complaint to the Judges Association, a complaint angorat. Just imagine. You remember reasons Sfiso Mayo around in the Judge Rata. It's that whole thing ukuthi uRata knows exactly what's going on and ayikinto ayenzayo around the 636 situation ukuthi uGininda, he said it before. He made a big video 2023 ukuthi uGininda lied. Wayebeka kanje wathi unamanga wantshontsha istatement ngisho esikaHlophe, mkhumbula uHlophe uSibari kaSenzo Meyiwa beNosifiso Meyiwa ushade nodadewabo kaSenzo Meyiwa, the one that was actually called to say hayi sekwenzakale imistake uSenzo udubulekile. Uyayizwa? Wawuntshontsha u375 wabantu ababesendlini uGininda waqhamukisa ethi hayi no, actually there were intruders in that house that came in to try and rob them, but you were not robbed anything. Yes guys, honestly akudlaliwe ngathi ayikho into yarojwa lapho except for le phone kaKheli kwakuthiwa iyarojwa but iphinde itholakala at the back of the door. So uyabona ukuthi kukhulunywa nje noma yini whenever people they decided it suits them. That is why I've always said, even uRata, because he's biased and all of that, he's not really on the side of defense. So then how I have looked at him is he's in it as well. Nobaloyi. Vele ngifile kanjalo ukuthi they agreed, they were like no, kuhambisa nje isikhathi just to ukuthi kusanjiswe isikhathi ecourt. But at the same time, my thing is that if we start all over again, futhi kangaki guys, we started all over. Nange uma umele angithi amkhumbula wayekade bulldoze le case naye, apparently wayengazange azacelwe futhi yena like uJudge Rata by JP or Judge President to say can you handle this case. Why bulldoze case waphele laphi waphuma kabuhlungu naye after hlukumeze bani uadvocate Malisela Tefo. It didn't end well with him. Ngagcina sahamba hearing, no hearing yakhona we are never shown ukuthi iphi lo hearing yenza kwenzakalani ngayo. Was completely on this case. We started all over no Rata. And then we discovered Rata is actually not even that great ngalendlela le mhlawumbe uJP ayebone ngayo at the time he chose him. Because uRata started to be biased, started to be doing things esingayifuni. It's not that he must do stuff that we want. At the end of the day, he must do his job. But at the same time, ubiased uyithandela nje ubaloyi lwamuntu. Uthanda state. Akayifuni defense lwamuntu. He doesn't even care what defense says, in fact. So it ended up manje in a trial that's not fair. It's an unfair trial. So yabona ukuthi it doesn't look right. So Sfiso Mayo was just like awangeke lo baba lo akasuso ngabani qalwe phansi. So uyabona ukuthi it's not like abantu bathule ababoni. You can see right through a person ukuthi yabona he's in it as well. You remember when Mngomezulu came to court the last time, right? Was it to Rata? So now how are you going to see the case if you gonna be working from home? What time is your internet? Hey, uRata kayifuni internet, guys. You know that side of him, right? He was like, hey, ngalabo bantu abakhuluma noma yini abakhuluma in that internet. Kodwa vele ke uMngomezulu wayezoyibuka guys the case. Just think about it because we also see it on the internet. What must happen? Uyabona leyo nto leyo. So that's just one of the examples of the stuff that uRata has done to defense nje esingayinakile besinganaki sithi man, he's just nje, you know. And besides ukuhleba ngoMngomezulu athi ubona uMngomezulu kuma corridors and all of that, we're not gonna go through that one again. Lokuhlumezana nomsho. He's done a lot of things that people feel njani how. So also I wanted to say mangikhuluma nge-internet ngikhuluma ngalento lo ukuthi fine ke uSfiso Mayiwa iletter obeyibhalele i-justice system, not thina, right? But I mean it's a public thing ngoba nathi isifanele sikwazi lokho angithi what is going on, and the Mayiwas they deserve ukuthi bayithole i-justice noma ngabe yini abazoyitry elifini. We will always support them. Wethu uRata uyayifuna internet noma akayifuni. Fanele sazi ukuthi kodwa uyibhalile incwadi uSfiso Mayiwa just as much as engabhalele thina. And also a Judges Association They know exactly what's going on, guys. It's not like they don't know. They know exactly what's going on. You understand? Bayathanda nje ukuzenza sengathi nje ababoni. They can see ukuthi phela le ayikho lento le right le yenzakala in that court esihlalela mangathina every day. On the 14th we were even hoping this coming Monday ukuthi things are going to change and take another direction. Bahlukane nokusiqambela amanga ukubona. Asibile lento ukuthi kuze ke end up kuba uRatha okhethiwe i-judge president uChief wamaumela uJudge Chief wamaumela wakhishwa cause wayenoqhophololo lwabo abayenza izinto engekho right like I'm saying ukuthi he bulldozed this case wayengacelwanga lo muntu lo wazenzela bagcina sebemiyeka so end up futhi kutholakala ukuthi he's just taking time to do the case akabi nje ne direction ayikho direction he had no direction actually whatsoever at the time. Kwathiwa no yekela ukhona ulo and also they had just started to investigate him ukuthi ngempela kule case le kaSenzomiyo mhlawumbe ofike kanjani okade ucela uba njengoba ke umlambo ke esecela njengoba esecela uJudge Ratha ukuthi ngicela kube wena ke who's taking up this case. Oh uyamazi uRatha when he's gonna tell us the whole day how the judge president asked him how he's the best, how he has 50 years experience. Oh my gosh, like bese silalele lokho. Usifiso Meyi wake uthi he must be removed. Akahambe lo baba lo. Cause it's not like he's doing a great job yena kuqala besides uChief wamaumela. Cause he's also biased unayo yonke into le. So these are the reasons for them ukuthi akahambe unfair just as much as state. So basically i-conduct kaJudge Ratha abekho happy ngayo, guys. You've seen it as well. You must please comment and let me know what's your take lento kaJudge Ratha. Do you think uJudge Ratha is the best? Fanele ahlale ekhesini because mina I had said last year angahlala because of I don't want us to start all over ngoba mebelethi elinye ijudge siqala phansi so phela omunye futhi 20 years ke this time. That was my problem. I needed a direction. That is why I was just like, akahlale uJudge Ratha ngoba it means we have to start all over again. And it's crazy when we do this. Guys, please don't forget ukuthi futhi Advocate Malisela Defo is also written to the judge president complaining about Judge Ratha. Awaqala ama-complaints kaJudge Ratha. There was a letter on Facebook okwakade kuthiwe asigcwaliseni. Abantu yayenziwa uVoice of the Voiceless, who is the sister to Maphisa accused number 4. Kwathiwa akasuke uJudge. Sacelwa kwathiwa asigcwaliseni izigcwala incwadi yokuthi sibe nama-signatures yokuthi uJudge Ratha akasuke. That was last year. But because there was no support around the situation, I think futhi uRatha wayizwa. This is why he doesn't like internet. He was just like, Umbeto, even you, when I'm going to you're going to be listening to all the court proceedings, uhlele endlini ubukela ku-internet, are you like for real right now? So leyo letter yavele yaphelele emoyeni sa endapha kungabhaliswanga enziwa ngama-signatures because we needed a certain number of signatures to take and then we'll be like akasuke uRatha. Iqala phansi ke futhi into kaRatha and it always comes but manje it's very solid because yabona ukuthi manje there's quite a few complaints about him last year. There's izinto ezisho kumsholo lathi wena ungacabanga ukuthi ku-tavern and umsholo wasn't even screaming, guys. Wayikhuluma nje kahle wathi ucabanga ukuthi use-tavern na. Remember I even said umsholo uthi wena mawumbuka ubuya sengathi uyaphuza umsholo to you to be talking about my viceroy inside court. I mean, who even does that? A whole judge? Yeah, guys, those things are just not on. They're so disrespectful, those things. In court, yeah, guys. I had never heard of them. Mina futhi ngangiqala ukuzwa uJudge ukhuluma ngento eyenze kanje inside court. Athi phela mina ngiyawazi lawo mathaveni aseSoweto. So thina singena kuphi, guys, wena mawuhamba mathaveni aseSoweto where you like ngoba uke wahlala eSoweto but he's actually from I actually learned I thought he was from Soweto. He was actually born in Alexandra, uJudge Ratha. I was very surprised. I found that actually last week. I was like, what? Yeah, he was born in Alexandra, uJudge Ratha. So nje, guys, we all know ukuthi there's been complaints, especially last year, a lot of complaints around indaba kaJudge Ratha, and after he said some stuff about Advocate Thulani Mngomezile ethi umbonile, kwathiwa kuqala ijaji elinamanga, maliqeda lapho futhi he likes creating stories. And then we can't live like this. Akasafuneki. there was a call, a serious one. It's just now 2 people, main people in the story, in this movie that we've been watching for over the past 10 years. There's 2 people now. U-Advocate Malesela Tefo, bese kuzoba uSifiso Meyo. Abantu abacomplaina ngalo baba and bamhambisile bamcebile. Just we don't know it, we're gonna be listened to now ngale ndaba if uSifiso Meyo abazomuzwa, if bazomuza uMalesela Tefo. I think we've got problems there, guys. Please guys, comment nisho nini ukuthi what is your take, because the problem with that mayisusu sizoqala futhi phansi ka-0 the whole procedure again. Ngeke guys, it's so crazy. And then there was a comment, guys. I just wanted to add a comment. I couldn't believe this comment. I was just like, what? How? Yamkhumbula uMokgano noMukgula. I think Mukgula is actually the lady. There was a story sokuthi ene uJola noGininda usisters. She is seen in court writing notes. What is that for? I'm just like, one of my beautiful sabis la. They were like, lawyer unokubhala ama-notes khona there, because I was like, ngicela ningikhombise yena. Ngicela ukubona manje kodwa ewabhala. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate your support, guys, so much. Ngithanda over. Thank you.